Hello everyone, I'm Sakshee Chacharkar, a volunteer with Shivi Forensics. In this video, we'll be covering MCQs on forensic physics. It is an important and high scoring topic for UGC NET as well as other competitive exams. So let us begin. Forensic physics applies the principles of physics to solve crimes and accidents. It helps investigators to analyze motion, forces, fractures, explosions, sound, and light to reconstruct the events. Using physical evidence, forensic physics answer four key questions, which are what happened, how it happened, when it happened, and from where. Now let's begin with the MCQs. First is the 3R rule in glass fracture helps to determine. Answer is B, side from which force was applied. So in glass fracture, radial cracks originate at the point of impact and form right angles on the reverse side. Now this crack's geometry allows forensic experts to determine the direction of force application. Second, formula used to determine the vehicle speeds from the skid marks. The correct answer is A. Now this formula is derived from the work energy theorem, where initial kinetic energy equals work done by friction. Knowing friction coefficient and skid length allows accurate speed reconstruction. Third, tool mark identification mainly relies on. Answer is B, microstriation patterns. Now tool marks contains individual microscopic striations which are caused by manufacturing defects and wear. Now these individual characteristics provides the basis for tool to surface matching. Fourth, ballistic fingerprinting refers to matching. Answer is rifling marks on bullet or casing. Now spiral rifling inside a firearm barrel produces unique lands and groove striations. Now these reproducible marks enable firearm identification. Fifth, B refringence in fiber analysis means. Answer, two refractive indices. Now B fringent materials exhibit direction dependent refractive indices due to their anisotropic molecular structure. This property is essential in forensic fiber differentiation. Next, the Charpy test measures the materials. Answer, impact resistance or toughness. The Charpy test measures energy absorbed during sudden fracture. It evaluates a material's resistance to impact loading. Seventh, ENF helps in. Answer, authenticating time of recording. Now, power grid frequency fluctuations are unintentionally recorded as background hum. Now, time matching this ENF signal verifies recording authenticity. 8. In paint evidence, microtome is used for. Answer, to create thin cross sections of layers. Now, microtome sectioning reveals paint layer sequence and also its thickness. These layer structures provide class as well as individual characteristics of the paint. 9th, soil comparison in forensic often uses. Answer, the density gradient tubes. Now soil particles separates based on their density within gradient columns. Now this produces a comparative soil profile. Next, shock wave velocity is highest in. Answer is high explosives. Now high explosive undergo detonation which produce supersonic shock waves. Now shock velocity distinguishes detonating explosive from deflagrating ones. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do like, share and subscribe for more forensic science and UGC NET preparation content.